bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, so today I'm going to show you a few things that I have here in the corner of my desk. I want to show you guys a few things that I like to buy when I go to the Dollar Tree. I always go back to these products and I really love the quality. I love making things with them, and it's just something that I always go back to. So I thought that this video would be awesome for someone who is just starting out crafting, maybe making cards, or maybe like junk journaling, or maybe like art journaling, and you may have been a little bit like limited with supplies. I don't want you to feel like you need these expensive, like, you know, gadgets. We can always try to work around some awesome things that the Dollar Tree has. So what I'm going to do is, if it's okay with you guys, what I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of my most used and most purchased items that I have in this box here. And then on another video, I will be making some projects using this stuff. So this way you get an idea on how to do your own DIY little projects, and you can see that you really don't need a lot of stuff, you really don't need a lot of supplies, you really don't need to spend a lot of money, and it kind of helps, you know, someone who maybe needs some ideas. So let's get started. I think you guys are gonna like this whole, like, I wanted to make it like a series, but every time I say the word series, it never happens. So I'm just gonna keep it as, like, you know, every once in a while I'm gonna just do DIY projects for you guys, and hopefully you guys are okay with that. So the very first thing that I absolutely adore, and I absolutely always go back for at the Dollar Tree, are these foam tapes. Now, if you guys are familiar with foam tapes, you know that they're very expensive. You go to the store, you go to Michael's, you go to Easy More, these foam tapes are super expensive, and I love the quality about, you know, this particular foam tape. Not only do you get so much supply, but it is absolutely fantastic quality. I stack up on these. Every time I go to a dollar store, I do not leave if I don't have at least 2 or 4 of these foam tapes. They're awesome, they're inexpensive, and they work magnificent. So next time you're at the Dollar Tree, pick one of these up, and you can definitely use them to do card makings or any kind of embellishments or anything like that. I always use them for my cards and my embellishments, and I just put them in these little tiny glass jar that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and they're awesome. They're fabulous. Another thing that I feel is awesome, and you get a lot for the quality and for the amount and for the price, are these twine. Now you get 3 in here. They're absolutely amazing. They're wonderful for tags, for gift wrapping, for anything. And you can make charms out of this. You can do so many things with this, and you get 3, guys. 3 for the $1, which is ridiculous, right? Now also, depending on the season that you get this, you might get some of these that are different colors. This one you get, which is kind of a generic one that they sell at the Dollar Tree at all times, which is this color, which is this like natural color and green color. But sometimes during Christmas they'll sell like red ones. Like during Thanksgiving they'll probably sell like brown. So, you know, always keep an eye for these twines. They're awesome, and the quality is really good, and you get really a lot for your money. Another thing that I absolutely adore and I absolutely love to buy at the Dollar Tree, I also love to buy these at the thrift shops, but obviously maybe some of you cannot go to a thrift shop. The next thing that you can do is go to the Dollar Tree, and you will find these amazing, beautiful thank you note cards. They have so many of them, and absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be showing you guys a few projects on what you can do with these, which you're going to love. And these are great. The fantastic thing about this is that you get 8 note cards in here, so you have a lot to work with. So these are absolutely awesome to pick up when you are at the Dollar Tree. They're only $1 and just really, really beautiful. If you can see here, this is a really gorgeous little bouquet of flowers. This is one of my favorite with the little Bambi. I love this one. I'm gonna make a project with you guys using this one. And then you got this beautiful flower. I mean, besides this, they have tons of different other kinds. So it's absolutely perfect to use if you are like a beginner in starting to do, you know, any crafting projects. Also keep in mind that also you might find awesome note cards again during the holiday season. So if you have Christmas or Thanksgiving or Halloween, you can also get these note cards and you can also make a lot of fun projects using them. Okay, very good. All right, let me speed it up a little because I feel like I'm talking really super slow. So another thing that I absolutely adore that I like to buy at a Dollar Tree are this alpha beads. These alpha beads are fabulous. I know it doesn't seem like it's a good idea, but these are perfect to make charms, to make maybe you want to make like a tag and you want to use these. These are perfect. I love using these alpha beads. They're perfect to use for ephemeras. They're perfect to use for junk journaling. It's just awesome. And they're just really good. I like to keep them in these little jars, and I love buying these. I always go back to get these. I love them. Okay, the next thing, obviously, which is just a simple thing, but they do sell this. They sell Tacky Glue, which is the good brand. This is the same one that Michael sells. These are really awesome to stack up on. I mean, these are awesome. They're really good. I like the size on it too, and they're perfect for $1. You can't beat it, right? So another thing that I absolutely adore when I go to the dollar store and I'm always looking out for are these lovely little gift bags. These are perfect to make so many things, and I will show you guys in an upcoming video what you can make out of these gift bags, which is so many things. But I love picking these up, especially the ones that have 3-in-1, because you can do a lot of things with this. So this is also a fantastic way to create awesome projects if you are limited in supplies. Okay. All right. Some things that you may not think about, but it is an awesome idea to use as junk journaling are these sale order books and receipt books. These are perfect to use for junk journaling or for a happy mail. Maybe you want to mail out a happy mail to a friend. You can create a lot of awesome projects using these adorable sale order books and receipt books. Again, $1. You get a whole bunch in here. You get 50 receipts, 50 50 sale orders, 50 receipts. You can create so many things out of this, and you guys are gonna see so many projects that we can do using this, and you're going to be amazed. But again, only $1 and you can do so much. Okay, index cards are also one of those things that obviously you can always use, and you can always create awesome projects with these index cards. Another thing that you can buy, very inexpensive, you can create your own little ephemeras, you can create your own little books, you can create your own little junk journaling embellishments using these index cards. They have different sizes, they also have different colors, They also have different shapes. This one is the 3x5. This one is the 4x6, and I love using them both. Another thing that they do sell, which I don't really find this a lot, but I do see them every once in a while, are these glue dots, which are awesome. You can use these for, you know, simple projects, and they're easy to use. They're basically just like little glue dots. It's great to have for like little projects that you want to maybe glue some, you know, smaller adhesive, and it kind of works with anything that's tiny. So these are really awesome as well. They're a little hard to find, but if you find them, you can always, you know, stack up and done. Okay, I'm almost done. Another thing that I absolutely love to use are these adhesive label holders. These are awesome to do so many projects. I have a few things that I want to show you guys on what to do with this and how to create awesome embellishments using these, and I think you guys are going to love it. So these are just basically adhesive label holders, which people usually use them for like you know, to attach them to binders, and you just basically label your binders. Well, I love using these for other reasons, and I will be doing a video showing you guys on how I use this. And these are awesome to have. They also have the ones that are a little bigger in size. This one is the smaller version, but they do have one that are a little more bigger in size. Okay, wax paper is another fabulous thing to have. This is wax basket liner. I love using this, and I'm going to create some fun projects using this paper with you guys. And these are very easy to find and fun to use. Okay, I am obsessed with the Dollar Tree buttons. I don't know about you guys, I am a button fanatic, and a long time ago, and I'm talking about like the beginning of the year, I came across these buttons at the Dollar Tree, and I never seen these buttons before in my entire life. I came across them by mistake, and I saw them, and I was like, oh my god, these buttons are fabulous. So I grabbed like 10 of these buttons. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree and I see these buttons, I instantly grab at least 2 or 3. These buttons are absolutely amazing. They are beautiful in color, beautiful in style, beautiful in shape. I mean, you name it, it is just absolutely gorgeous. You get so many different shapes, so many different colors. They're perfect for cards, perfect for junk journaling, perfect for charms, just perfect for everything. So yeah, these are really good to have. Now, I gotta be honest with you, these are not very easy to find because I don't think they sell this like all the time. But when you do find it, I suggest you to highly grab as much as you can, because you're not gonna regret it. What I usually do is, I have this container that I used to have candy in, and every time I grab one of these, I'll just pour it in here, and then I have my collection of buttons that I absolutely adore, and they're all from the Dollar Tree, which is crazy. Okay, one more thing that I want to show you, and then we are basically done for today, and that is these fantastic file folders. They're also awesome to have for different projects. I love using these for ephemeras and for tags and for index cards, for art journaling cards, for project life cards. I love using these file folders, especially the one that is translucent, like it's like clear, It's perfect. So the thing that I'm going to do for you guys is I think I'm going to use this one as the first video on how to use different types of things, or not use, but how to create different types of things using this particular product. And I think that you guys are going to like this video. Hopefully you'll like it. In a few days I will show you guys what to create out of this, and then we'll continue on doing other projects on how to create other things that we've showed you in this video. Okay, my loves? I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I hope that this is helpful for someone who is just starting out with crafting, and I'm hoping that it will give you some inspiration and some like inspiration in doing things, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want you to feel like you need to get like the most updated, you know, things that are out there. We can definitely make things work with what we have and what we can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in a few days. Okay, thumbs up. I will see you soon on my next video. Please be careful, be safe, and I will see you soon, honeys. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.